Kamusta kaibigan? This is Aracelia Rides and welcome to our moto vlog. I know I'm super late, like ilang buwan na akong hindi nag-vlog. I have a reason, okay? First of all, a lot of the footages that I've shot since summer, like after nung La Union trip ko, lahat yun nasira dahil I have like a shitty ass microphone that, you know, sobrang noisy, and yung footages ko sa La Union na-corrupt for some reason, so hindi ko na siya mabalik, kaya wala na akong part 2 ng La Union trip ko. And eto, I actually found the problem. It was my mic. Akala ko noong una yung GoPro adapter yung yung sira, yung pala yung microphone ko. So I bought a cheap mic just to test it out. Eto nga yun. And ito namang mic na nabili ko medyo left side lang ng ear ang tumutunog, so I probably need to edit this out. But yeah, I have to buy a new mic very soon, probably this Christmas season, para dating niya January na, so I can start vlogging again in January. But yeah, ayun. So medyo nawalan ako ng gana mag-vlog dahil lahat ng footage ko nasira. Ang dami ko pa naman kinunan, like after the meetup, after after La Union and all that. So yeah, kamusta kayo? Actually ngayon pupunta ako ng Motostrada ulit, because lagi na lang yung vlog ko pupunta ako Motostrada. Hindi kasi ako masyadong nalabas talaga. Lumalabas lang ako every weekend. So I had this motorcycle for I don't know how many months now. Wait, bilangin natin: March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So 9 months na. I had this motorcycle for 9 months now, and nasa 5,800 odo na ako. So probably around, sa pag 1 year na siya, gagawin ko siya ng review, like 1 year, after 1 year ng lagay ng aking motorcycle. So sa mga China bike haters yan, probably malalaman nyo kung kung may mga sira ba akong na-encounter, or may mga, or like I don't know, general pros and cons. Actually, pupunta ako ngayon doon because it's my, I think, 5th PMS, 5th or 6th. I think last PMS ko na sa Motostrada, like yung under warranty. And may isa lang akong sirang na-encounter so far, which is yung ambient temp ko, which is hindi naman siya like game breaking, or hindi naman siya like, alam mo yun, like sira ng motor. Yung temperature lang na naka-display dun sa panel ko is 15 degrees. Mukha bang 15 degrees? So ang init-init. So probably my ambient temp is broken right now, so I have to check that. I have to let them check that out. So ayun lang naman. Then change oil, I don't know kung papableed ko pa, mukhang okay pa naman yung preno ko. So far yun pa lang naman nang na-encounter ko sira. But it's not really a super game breaking sira, like tamang lang siya. Probably I don't know, tatanong natin kung ano nangyari. But yeah, so on my way to Motostrada right now. I'm still in Fairview. It's super traffic and it's tanghalin tapat. I should have went there like this morning, kaso grabe yung araw, grabe yung ulap, like super dilim, like ang itim ng ulap. Sabi ko sige bukas na lang, but then nung dumating na ng mga 9 AM biglang naging blue na yung sky, so I was like okay, sige na, punta na ako kahit mainit. So I called Motostrada, they were accommodating naman, and okay, nagpa-reserve ako ng 1 PM, pero ang ETA ko daw ay 12:40, so I'll probably go there earlier para mas maaga ako makauwi since sumakas lang ako sa trabaho. But don't tell my employers please, charing. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Tinesting ko lang yung microphone ko. Hopefully the new mic actually works, because if not, ayokong gumastos para sa GoPro adapter, mic adapter, diba? Mahal kasi. So yeah, hopefully mic lang ang problema, so I can just buy a new mic and hindi ako masyadong mamahalan. And yeah, miss ko na kayo guys. Hopefully I'll See you guys again very soon. Pero yeah, mamaya update ko kayo kapag nandun ako sa Motostrada if anong kung anong sira ng aking motorcycle. Pero wala naman siya sira. Kung anong problema, bakit nasira yung ambient temp. But yeah, detour lang ako kasi grabe yung traffic. Oh yeah. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, I'm back. Hindi ko na video sa loob ng Motostrada since iniwan ko yung helmet ko sa may labas. Pero okay, so I'm about to go home. Tapos na yung PMS. Inabot lang ako ng 1.5 today. 1,505 pesos ang binayaran ko because meron pa akong tirang oil from my last PMS. So dalawang oil lang yung kinuha ko and also oil filter. Then pina-check ko yung ambient temp ko. Sa ngayon nasa 15 degrees siya. Sabi nila obserbahan ko daw muna, although it's not really that parang game changer. Kumbaga I don't really mind kung sira yung ambient temp kasi importante lang daw kasi siya sa ibang bansa since parang pag winter or something, so bababa talaga siya ng negative. Pero dito sa Pilipinas hindi naman sa atin lumalamig, so don't really mind. And also ayun, obserbahan ko lang daw, although in-adjust naman nila, pero nasa 15 pa din siya. We'll see. Also ang sabi sa akin ni Kuya, sayang, nakalimutan ko pala siyang bigyan ng tip, sayang, next time na lang. Sabi ni Kuya, yung about do sa temperature daw ng motor ko, ang tawag dito, yung radiator guard ko, sinignan niya, medyo mabuhangin na. So probably kailangan ko siyang ipalinis. Papablower ko na lang mamaya sa car wash. And I think other than that, okay naman daw yung takbo. Yung preno ko ay makapal pa daw. And ayun, next PMS ko daw, ipapa-flush ko na daw yung coolant ko. Yun lang naman yung sinabi ni Kuya. Other than that, everything's fine. Wala namang problema. And yeah, okay pa din. After 9 months, bike is still good. Wala pa akong sakit ng ulo sa kanya. Yun lang, kailangan ko lang siyang ipalinis lagi. Pero medyo ko na lang yun, OCness ko na lang yun. Other than that, everything's good, everything's better. Uuwi na naman akong nakangiti. Kasi okay pa eh. Yeah. So yung mga sinasabi nila na na China bike ay sirain, well, hindi ko pa siya nararanasan as of now. Aside from the ambient temp, which is not really that big deal, not really a big deal. So aside from that, wala pa naman akong problema. So everything's okay. Yun. Hopefully o-order ako ng bagong microphone. Hopefully dumating na siya by December. And ayun, so I can start making content again. Na-miss ko kayo guys. Hindi ako makagawa ng content. Yung TikTok ko hindi na updated. Yung YouTube ko lalo hindi na updated. Ilang buwan nang walang content because of my stupid microphone. And wala din ako masyadong lakad lately kasi hindi naman ako nalabas Weekend lang ako nakakapag-ride. Siguro on my next vlog update ko kayo sa life update lang. Sa ngayon ito naman lang like update lang bakit di ako nakapag-post. And ayun, yun nga, if you skip the video hanggang dito, well basically nasira yung microphone ng GoPro ko and wala pa akong pamalit. So ayun, ngayon alam ko na yung sira niya. Akala ko kasi yung GoPro mic adapter yung sira, yung pala yung mic mismo yung sira. So okay lang, mas mura yun kaysa sa mic adapter yung papalitan ko. Yung ko doon, verdict ko doon is probably nabasa yun nung umuulan. Kaya ayun, hindi na siya nag-grounded na siya, hindi na siya gumagana. Pero yun, hopefully this microphone works and makakapag-post na ulit. Alright, yeah, uwi na ako. Mainit. It's 2:41 PM. Sobrang init. And ayun, dadaan pa ako ng car wash as usual. Tuwing PMS ko, dumadaan ako ng car wash. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. Yeah, 1 year review very soon. Gagawa ko niyan, like intensive review. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This has been Araceli Rides. Enjoy the few minutes of my ride. And yeah, I'll see you guys again very soon. Hopefully very very soon. Ingat kayo guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and ride safe as always. Paalam, my dudes.